Hello, Mastery P&ID and other semantics. Practical approach for complete beginners. Self-learning. Examining, interpreting, drafting P&ID and other semantics. Today we are going to be looking at Chapter 10, Lesson 1. Chapter 10, Lesson 1. Process and Instrumentation Diagram, P&ID. What is P&ID? P&ID is a diagrammatic representation of a process plant in a stylish graphic form, using standard symbols to illustrate the piping, process equipment, instrumentation, and control devices connection. The P&ID provides the foundation for the design of hazard and hazard analysis procedures. P&ID is also referred to as process engineering flow stream. The P&ID links the system description, flow diagram, electronics control loop, and control logic diagrams. An example of P&ID for a centrifugal pump. This is another example of a typical P&ID for a horizontal vessel. What does the P&ID provide? P&ID provides mechanical details of a given system or process. It provides piping sizing and material specification information. It shows how continuation lines lead to another connection P&ID sheet or page. It displays flow arrow and their class. It displays DCS alarms and computer control system or unit. It shows connection type from the controller to the feed devices. It gives information about valves and their identification. It provides information about input and output element. It provides information of vent, flanges, lines, reducer, and so on. Here in this explanation, for illustration purpose, Figure 10.1.9 of 1 to 9 provide the available details information P&ID can provide for process plant operation and project execution. So the first information we are looking at here is the mechanical details. 1. P&ID provide mechanical details of a given system. Here we have a pump here. P&ID provide piping information such as size and material specification. Here we have a line here. The specification of this line is this. From the P&ID we can see the specification of the line or this process line. It shows continuation flash leading to the connected P&ID. From this sign, this arrow here is telling us that this sheet, P&ID particular sheet, and this line is going to D100. This is another equipment in another sheet. This one is coming from probably another sheet. Telling us it's coming from line 5 on a separate sheet. 4. It also provides information about interface for class changes. 5. It shows DCS alarm type and computer control. 6. It provides information about connection type from the controller to the feed devices. 7. It provides information about valve and their identification. Isolation valve, shut-off valve, relief, and safety valve. It provides information about the control input and output, such as sensors and final control element. 9. It provides information about vents, flanges, lines, reducer, and so on. I leave you here with quick exercises. See you again in Chapter 10, Lesson 2.